Yo, what is up, all Mighty Beeps here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It is really good to see you guys. This week's vlog, we're going to be talking about why I still film projects for free. So before we get into it, roll the intro, and I'll see you soon. Alright, so let's start off with talking about the idea of working for free. Now, in the beginning of whatever creative endeavor you are doing, whether it's photography, cooking, coding, creating websites, which I think is coding as well, and whatever creative work you are getting into, you're a beginner, which means you're probably lacking the one thing that demands being paid for, which is... That's right, it's experience, which is probably why you're not going to get paid for the first set of jobs that you do. So you have to resort to working for free. Now, experience is the one thing that demands money, at least in my opinion. So let's think about this. In the beginning of your career, you don't have the resources, which means you probably don't have the equipment or the tools that you want to have or that you feel you should need to get the job done the way that you creatively want to do it. Now, aside from all the gear and all the equipment and software that you need to get the job done, whatever it may be, you are also lacking the network of people. Your circle of people that are interested in hiring you is probably really small, maybe even smaller than mine when I first started doing photography and video. But with experience, most of these things will continue to evolve and grow. So a quick recap on working for free in the beginning of your career is solely dictated on your experience. You're lacking all the experience to get the job done efficiently, on time, and presentably. So don't worry, most of us start off working for free in the beginning. Just don't be afraid to work for free. Trust me, you're not as good as you want to be, nor are you as good as you will be. So working for free will give you that experience, open up your networks, and also help you realize what equipment and software is important for your jobs. So I think it's safe to say experience equals money. Now, as you continue to grow as a creative person in your creative world, whatever it may be, your experience is also going to grow as well. You've ran across several situations, several problems, and also you've had some wonderful experiences and met some incredible people as well. So you've had a full gamut of experience from highs and lows. You're gonna start to think, maybe I should be getting paid for this work because the 10 hours of editing these photos, the 12-hour days of actually going out and filming it, whatever it may be. Again, you may be coding, you may be cooking food, you may be painting artwork, whatever it may be, you're gonna start to realize your time is money. And all this experience you're building and getting better and getting faster at your craft is gonna demand money. So you guessed it, experience equals money. Now that you have experience, you can actually charge people what you feel is necessary for the job. Now, each job is going to be absolutely different from the last, and that is why I still continue to work for free. Now, in the creative world that I work in, I'm a cinematographer and a filmmaker. Every project that I run across is completely different from the last, which is why I still work for free sometimes. Now, there are projects where I charge money, but there are also projects that I have never run across, situations that I've never encountered, which is why I'm okay with not charging someone for a job. Now, I am currently working on a project where I have to use 2 cameras, which is something that I haven't done personally in any of my own projects. So for me, I am lacking that experience, that workflow, that knowledge of working with 2 cameras, which is why I am absolutely comfortable working on this project for free. Now, again, in your creative career, you should absolutely be getting paid for all the experience that you are putting into each project. But again, remember, some projects you may run across, you don't have the experience. So maybe it's okay that you work for free. But again, you're gonna be the one to set the price, and you can because you have that experience. People are gonna look at your work and not necessarily understand or comprehend the work that goes into it. Again, that is that experience that you are charging people for. But then again, you may run across a project that piques your interest and you're willing to work for free. So fortunately or unfortunately, you will probably continue to work for free for the remainder of your life, but pick and choose your projects and understand your experience is what dictates the price of each project. Well, that's all I got for this week's vlog. If you enjoyed it, if you learned something new, or maybe it confirmed your ideas about working for free, so let me know in the comments down below, what was the last project that you did for free? And if you enjoyed this week's vlog, you know what to do. Go ahead and do a super jump on that like button down below, and also get subscribed to the YouTube channel because every single Wednesday is a brand new vlog. I'm Mighty Beeps, cinematographer / student, and I'll see you in 7 days. Bye, Don. Oh my gosh, I have so much editing to do. Why did I record for so long? I missed them. All right, goodbye. Cut. Yeah, I did cut. Audio speeds, camera speeds. This is take 2. Let's get through it quick. Let's get through it fast because I don't want to be here all day editing. Okay.